Hello everyone, in the next one I have drawn again a basic face with the eyes and nose, mouth, shoulders, and I'm drawing a very pretty mermaid. This is the top of the mermaid, and then I'm drawing the hands, and then I'm drawing this design of the mermaid tail. Wow, this is so cute. And the hairs, the flying hairs. And the next one I'm drawing a face with cute hairstyle and a cute curve, eyes, very good. It comes out so good and pretty. And then I'm drawing that clutch in the hair. This is a cute kimono style. And then I'm drawing a cute dress out of it and the ribbons. Detailing is very important while drawing and it comes out so pretty. For the next one, I'm drawing again a cute face, eyes and nose and mouth. And I'm drawing a different hairstyle now. This is a ribbon hairstyle and this looks so pretty, I'm drawing the shoulder lines, then the ribbon, then I'm spreading this ribbon again. So it looks so good and a 3D effect. And then I'm making a flying one. This comes out so pretty. I'm drawing clouds. I'm gonna make it very imaginary. I'm drawing that spark bit before her hairs. Wow, it was so pretty, right? That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.